The 2020 European Aquatics Championships were scheduled to take place in Budapest, Hungary, from 11 to 24 May 2020. However, on 5 May it was announced that the event had been postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic, with 10 to 23 May 2021 set as replacement dates. A total of 73 medal events were held across 4 disciplines. Competition dates by discipline are: the venues of the competition will be the Danube Arena in central Budapest for swimming, diving and artistic swimming events, and the Lupa Lake, located in the town of Budapest, for open water swimming events. 3 other venues will be used for practice and training: the Kamjati Pool, the BVSC Pool and the Széchenyi Tamás Pool. Host nation results. Host nation: A, swimmers who participated in the heats only and received medals. B, swimmers who participated in the heats only and received medals. C, swimmers who participated in the heats only and received medals. Host nation. Host nation. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.